Hello Year 9, this is going to be a super quick video. I know I had some issues releasing the mark schemes and whatnot. So what I'd like to do, if there's any more questions, I know I made 2 videos, maybe 3, I don't remember. But I know I didn't make them all. So what I'd like to get your questions all on one central document. This is the cover question for each of the 4 tests that I've given you already. And I want you to use this as a key when we are writing down our questions. So if you have any questions from the 4 tests that I've given you, this is what you guys are going to edit together. And you can see down here, I've already made a table. You'll write your name, you'll write whatever test you're talking about, let's say test 2, so you'd write test 2, the question number, and then you would say, what about the function of the, oh, I don't understand the function of the muscle, or I don't understand why my answer was wrong, and then tell me what your answer was, or something like that. But the more detail you give me, the better. You've worked on live documents before. Just don't erase other people's things. If you see somebody's cursor is in there doing work, just pick another row. Of course, you can edit, make as many rows as you need. But I'd like to get all of our questions, if there are any, into one document, and then I can address them all together. So I'm going to release this document, and you're going to work on that. And then after that, I'm going to give you guys a bunch more tests, which I know you can't wait to do, so you can start working through those. So I hope this helps, and write down any questions that you have. Thank you.